office. As you can see, we, the Executive Director of Africa and that of Liberia, along with some feminist members of the community, here they are giving us a helping to see how best we can have our office space in a very unique condition. Today, we have decided to carry on this painting exercise to see the dream coming true, because we are the failure. So we need his help so that we can be able to make sure that our dream comes true. All we need to do is to make sure that arts in Liberia be the best, and we are doing the best. So today we are trying all of our activities to work in our office to see that our office is well painted. As you can see right now, we carry on the painting process. All in here. This is all the area we are painting. We have other guys in this other room also. We are painting the place. So we working today here. This is a student. This is a student who has volunteered to come and help us do the painting process. He's one of my students. He's now in grade 9. He lost a permanent relative. He's talking with my uncle right now. So he needs a helping hand. So he decided to be part of us. He's giving us his helping hand so that I can be able to help him. So his name is Alfonso Camara. He's now a student, very brilliant. He has some talent. He's a very good soccer player also.
This is backyard.
This is the backyard of the office. This is the backyard of the office. As you can see right now, I'm along with our Africa director. As well, this is the backyard of the office. As you can see, you know, we want to just tell you that we mean for good. We are not joking here. We mean for good. So everything we do here, we must let you know that this is the right thing that we have to do, and it should be the right thing that we're supposed to do.
So just as the country director Mohammed Yan was just talking about how painting activities going on, we are glad to inform our founder, the CEO, Mr. Yvette, that this is what is going on. Not only him, but everyone that is watching this live video. This live video
in the office.
This is the hallway of the building. I think we have this room here. The other time we show it, the painting. We continue here and also another building. Another room here. In a very short time, we'll be coming in this building to paint. Even though it is painted, but we just want to add what we are doing here today so that we'll make it very nice and good for office use. Just as the country director Mohammed just spoke, we are aware that we do great things in Liberia with the collective effort of our friends and then kind-hearted individuals, and then with a big hands of encouragement and inspiration from our CEO and founder, Mr. Yvette. So this is what we are doing. The brother still working. See our company director there is working. We are on the job. You know, we want to serve humanity, and we want those of our friends and partners to join us in a collective effort to bring a lasting change in the life of people we serve, of people we work with.